Think about all the paperwork your business has moved over the years. You might think that paper is cheap, but factor in the cost of printers, toners, connectivity, and maintenance, and maybe it's more trouble than it's worth. Going paperless is a smart move at many levels. It's good for the planet. You get faster access to information, and you start to enjoy a leaner, more dynamic way of doing business. Here are 3 ways to become a paperless office. 1. Move over to online applications. All the software you could ever need has already been invented and is waiting for you. 2. Invest in training employees to handle and process tasks electronically. Incentivize them to use less paper. 3. Phase out old technology and processes and enjoy a leaner, greener way of doing business. For more information on how you can go paperless and pick the right software, let's talk.